Guys, this is a modern ergonomic desk chair that's clearly designed around one idea, keeping you comfortable while you sit in it for probably far longer than you ought to. Now, it doesn't scream gaming chair, it doesn't try to look flashy, and it doesn't pretend that it will suddenly fix your posture overnight. Now, the real question is here, guys, whether all of these adjustments actually make a difference in day-to-day use. So stick around, I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Now guys, before we get into it, this chair was sent to me to take a look at and to give my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. Now guys, this chair arrives pretty much flat packed, and there are a lot of parts in this box. Now, it's not one of those chairs where you clip on 4 wheels and call it a day. No, everything is packaged neatly though, and the instructions are clear with bolts labeled properly, including the spare ones, which is a nice touch. Now guys, assembly took me around 20 minutes without rushing and without power tools. If you had a kind of electric drill or a screwdriver or whatever, you could definitely shave a few minutes off of that. But nothing about the build felt awkward or unclear. It's just a case of working through it step by step. And once it's built, guys, the design starts to make sense. The backrest is the main feature here. Instead of being rigid, it has an adaptive design that moves slightly as you move. When you lean back or stretch, the backrest flexes with you rather than pushing you back into one fixed position. It's subtle, but you know what? You feel it. Your shoulder stays supported, your back isn't locked in place, and it encourages movement rather than fighting it, which is exactly what you want if you're sat at a desk all day. Also guys, the lumbar support is adjustable up and down, so you can position it where it actually supports your back and not where the chair designer guessed your spine might be. Seat depth adjustment is also another feature that you don't see on every chair at this price point. Being able to move the seat forward or back kind of makes a big difference, more than you'd expect, especially if you're taller or shorter than the average person. It also lets you control thigh pressure, which helps with comfort over longer sessions. The armrests are proper 4D armrests, if that's a thing, right? That means height, forward, back and forth, and rotation, and left to right movement. Being able to move them inwards or outwards makes it pretty much easier to line them up with your desk, keyboard, or your mouse position. And once they're set, they'll feel solid. No wobble, no constant readjusting. Now, the headrest, which, yeah, is a nice touch. Now, this is 2D, right? So that moves up and down and you get the tilt. It's designed to support your neck when you lean back rather than force your head forward while you're working, which I kind of prefer. It's there when you want it, and when you don't want it, you can just forget about it. Also guys, the recline mechanism is smooth and controlled. You can lock it upright or you can let it move freely, and it doesn't feel springy or unstable. It's the sort of recline you use to reset your posture, not fall asleep, which is probably for the best, right? And construction wise, the chair feels solid. It's rated to meet EN 1335 and BIFMA standards. And while that sounds like marketing speak, what it really translates to is nothing feels flimsy. The base, mechanism, and frame all feel very confidence inspiring once you're sat in it. And guys, the mesh back is supportive, but breathable, which makes a noticeable difference if your office chair gets warmed. Compared to padded chairs, especially in summer, this is just far more comfortable to live with. And guys, height adjustment is simple. press the rear lever while sitting to raise or lower the seat. It just works smoothly. So guys, there you have it. This is a well-designed ergonomic chair that focuses on adjustability and comfort rather than looks or gimmicks. The adaptive backrest, adjustable seat depth and proper armrests all add up to something that's genuinely comfortable over long sessions. Now, assembly does take a bit of time because, like I said, this is properly flat packed, but it's straightforward, and once it's built, it feels solid and well thought out. If you spend a lot of time at your desk and want something modern, supportive and adjustable without going overboard, then this is definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this really nice chair for just £179, which is a bit of a steal. I'll also leave any links, discount and product in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.